Hello everyone. I hope you all are keeping good health. Today we will start with chapter 8, Comparing Quantities. My dear children, in our daily life there are many occasions when we compare two quantities. Suppose here we are comparing the heights. We can say that the boy wearing the red t-shirt is taller than the second boy. Similarly, if we want to compare the size, we can say that the apple on the left is smaller than the apple on the right. Let's consider two more examples and we will learn two methods of comparison. Here, we have to compare the age. Grandfather and a grandchild is there. Age of a grandchild is 15 years and age of a grandfather is 60 years. First method to compare the age is difference. Finding the difference you will get 45, which means grandfather is 45 years older than Rohit. The second method is division method. Dividing the two, you will get the answer as 4, which means grandfather is 4 times Rohit's age. So, in comparison by division, we will represent the answer in terms of how many times. Let's consider one more example in which height of a man and height of a tree is given to you, but the unit is not same. The very first thing we will do here is make the unit same. 1 meter means 100 centimeter, so 25.6 meter means 2560 centimeter. Using the first method of difference, you will get the answer as 2400 centimeter, which means tree is 2400 centimeter taller than man. Using the second method, divide the two, you will get the answer as 16, which means tree is 16 times taller than man. So, in certain situation, comparison by division method makes better sense than comparison by taking the difference. And this comparison by division is the ratio. This particular ratio part we have already covered in your previous class. So we can summarize it as the comparison in terms of how many times is known as ratio, or we can say that the comparison by division is the ratio. We denote ratio by the symbol colon. Read it as is to. Two quantities can be compared only if they are in the same unit. If the unit is not same, we will not compare them. This we have already covered in the last example. Moving to exercise 8.1. Question number 1. Find the ratio of. Find the ratio of means we have to compare the two quantities by division. We will write the answer in simplest form using colon sign, that is to sign of ratio. Here the two quantities given to you are of different unit. Converting the bigger unit into the smaller one, that is rupees to paisa. As we know, 1 rupees means 100 paisa. So 5 rupees means 500 paisa. Now in place of this 5 rupees, we will use 500 paisa. Now, calculating ratio, dividing the both values, converting into the simplest form, highest common factor is 50, 50 ones are, 50 tens are. Now this is a fractional form. We want to write the answer in ratio, that is 10:1. Simplest form with a colon sign. Moving to second sum, it's 15 kg to 210 gram. Again, the units are not same. So we will convert the bigger unit into the smaller one. 1 kg means 1000 grams. So 15 kg means 15 into 1000 gram, that is 15,000 gram. Again, in place of 15 kg, we will use 15,000 gram. And yes, we will get the ratio as 15,000 upon 210. Cancelling the zeros. Yes. Now the common factor, or we can say highest common factor here is 3. It will be 3 sevens are and it's 3 500s are. You will finally get the fraction as 500 upon 7, which you can write in ratio form as 500:7. This will be your final answer. Next, 9 meter to 27 centimeter. Again, the unit are different. Converting the bigger to smaller, that is 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So 9 meter means 9 into 100, which means 900 centimeter. Now we will use this. Now the units are same. We can find the ratio. 900 upon 27. Highest common factor here is 9. It's 9 threes are, 9 hundreds are. Yes, finally we can write it as 100 upon 3, which means 100:3. This is your answer. Moving to question number 2. In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? We are supposed to find number of computers for given number of students. It means here in this question we are moving from many to many. 6 students is given to you. We are moving to 24 students. We will use unitary method. First, we will go to many to one and then from one to many. So first, we will write number of computers for 6 students is 3. From 6, we will go to 1. We will divide 3 by 6. Converting into simplest form, 3 ones are, 2s are. That is 1 upon 2. Next, number of computer needed for 24 students will be, now computer for 1 is clear. From 1 we have to move to many. We will multiply. 1 by 2 multiply by 24. Fraction multiply by whole. Find the common factor. We will cancel 2 ones are, 12s are. And yes, you are left with 12 computer. This will be your answer. Yes. I hope the method of comparison by division is clear to you. So comparison by division is known as ratio. And here we will express the answer in terms of how many times. That's all for today. Thank you everyone. God bless you all.